lights every day. Galaxies whirl in a cosmic ballet. Let's get lost where the comets play. Neon lights from a distant star, flying in our spaceship car, through the nebula, not so far. Together we'll go bizarre. Meet me where the moonlight glows, in the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Planet hopping from Mars to Venus. Hear the symphony in between us. Asteroids dance in meteoric rush. Feel the universe's gentle hush. Twinkling skies with secrets to share. Cosmic love floating everywhere. In this space, no worries, no despair. We're boundless, there's love in the air. Meet me where the moonlight glows, in the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Neon signs, they burn so bright. Glowing dreams in darkest night. Concrete jungle full of sound. City life where we are bound. People rushing through the streets. Heartbeat sings with endless beats. Skyscrapers touch the stars above. Every moment, every love. Under city lights we fly so high. In this urban sky we never die. Lost in moments that we find. In this maze we're intertwined. Street performers playing tunes. Magic happens under moons. Graffiti walls tell a story of faded hopes and fleeting glory. Under city lights we fly so high. In this urban sky we never die. Lost in moments that we find. In this maze we're intertwined. Late night diners filled with chat. Lonely souls and a cool cat. Midnight whispers in the air. City promises everywhere. Under city lights we fly so high. In this urban sky we never die. Lost in moments that we find. In this maze we're intertwined. Under city lights we fly so high. In this urban